cyber fraud racket involving a so-called digital arrest scam has been busted by the Karnataka State Cyber Command after fraudsters allegedly duped a 74-year-old Bengaluru woman of 24 crore rupees by impersonating senior officials from the CBI and Enforcement Directorate. According to Karnataka Cyber Command Chief Pranab Mohante, the victim, identified as Lakshmi Ramamurthy, was psychologically manipulated and threatened by the accused, who convinced her that she was under investigation in a fake criminal case. Fearing arrest and legal action, she transferred her life savings through 26 separate transactions between February to April 2026. The money was routed through 23 mule bank accounts across 10 different banks in India. The fraud came to light on April 24th after officials at ICICI Bank noticed suspicious financial activity when the women attempted to secure a 3 crore rupees gold loan. Alert bank staff immediately informed authorities, leading to swift intervention by the Cyber Command team. Officials counseled the victim, prevented additional transfers, and registered a formal complaint. Using the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal, investigators traced the money trail, froze several bank accounts, and managed to save over 4 crore rupees while recovering 1.46 crore rupees through court procedures. The nationwide investigation led to the arrest of 6 accused from multiple states including Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi and Bihar. Police also seized 6 mobile phones believed to have been used in the operation. Authorities said the case is one of the Karnataka's biggest crackdowns on digital arrest scams, a growing cybercrime trend in which fraudsters exploit fear, fake authority and psychological pressure to extort money from vulnerable citizens, particularly senior citizens. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.